Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are exploring one of the coolest features of Google Gemini. Imagine. Imagine typing something like futuristic city floating above the cloud, and Gemini will create it in seconds. This tool turns simple prompt into visual in seconds. How can you structure a strong image prompt in Gemini? First, you should know what you want. Person, place, object, like a futuristic city. Then detailed about this object, like floating above the cloud, glowing neon lights, flying cars. Then you should choose the style. You should define the art style. Example, digital arts, ultra detailed. Also, you should be specific and descriptive. Instead of dog in park, try a golden puppy running through a park in autumn, leaves. Uploading and mixing pictures in Gemini. One of the powerful things in Gemini offers is the ability to combine your own uploaded images with AI generation. Instead of just typing text prompt, you can upload one or more pictures to guide the AI. How does it work? Upload multiple images. You can drag and drop or select from your device more than one picture. Add a text prompt. Describe what you want Gemini to do with those pictures, like mixing those pictures in one picture. Example, mix those two photos in a fancy style poster. Example for prompt, combine those two pictures into a fancy movie poster with a dramatic lighting, or mix my selfie with this landscape so it looks like I am standing on the top of the mountain. Take those product photos and merge them into a modern advertising banner. Here you go, a few pro tips to get the most out of mixing picture. Be specific in your prompt. Instead of combine my photo with a city, say place my photo in front of neon city at night. Mention your styles like cartoon, watercolor, oil painting. Play with modes and lighting like dramatic shadows or bright sunny atmosphere.